Okay, so here are the cables. I just pulled the seat off. I see this thing's a little squashed in the seat. I don't know if that has anything to do with it or not. I'll give you an overview of this. Wires, not the best way put in there, but I get it. All right, so I'm going to follow Fred's instructions to clip the zip tie and then unplug everything. So hang on. Okay, clip the zip tie. Pull that off. Well, it's quite a bit of wires there. Okay, I'm going to check the email for Fred's instructions because I don't want to unclip anything I'm not supposed to.